Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 17 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Today, we're embarking on a fun and practical journey building our own calculator in Python. Imagine having a personal math assistant, always ready to crunch numbers and solve equations. Well, with Python, that's exactly what we'll do. Get ready to unleash your inner coding wizard and conquer the world of calculations. Let's dive into the code. First, let's build a simple calculator that performs basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Defining the calculator function. This line creates a function named calculator that encapsulates all the calculator's logic. Def calculator. 2. Getting user input. These lines prompt the user to enter two numbers and store them as variables using input. Number 1 equals float input into the first number. Number 2 equals float input into the second number. Float converts the user's input from a string to a floating point number, allowing for decimal values. 3. Choosing the operation. This line prompts the user to choose an operation. Operation equals input choose operation plus minus, multiplication or division. 4. Performing the calculation. This if-elif chain checks for different operations and performs the appropriate calculation using arithmetic operators. If operation equals plus. Result equals number 1 plus number 2. Elif operation equals dash. Result equals number 1 number 2. Elif operation equals. Result equals number 1 number 2. Elif operation equals. Result equals number 1 number 2. Else. Print invalid operation. 5. Printing the result. This line displays the final calculation result. Print f the result is. It uses f strings for string formatting to include the calculated value within the string. 6. Calling the function. This line executes the calculator function. Just to give some random input and try to get the result, please try this code and give hands-on experience for it. By now, you should have a solid understanding of building a calculator in Python. You've learned how to utilize variables, operators, functions, and user input to create a practical and interactive application. Remember, this is just the beginning. You can continue expanding your calculator's features and explore more complex programming concepts. So, go forth and unleash your coding potential, one calculation at a time.